elevator cable. We will be removing the top screw on the tray harness cover with a Torx 20 bit. To remove the cover, you simply slide it up, bend it outwards, and come out. Notice you're going to have the elevator on the bottom position while doing this. And the machine also has to be on. Now, we'll come to the connection here in the middle of the cable and unscrew and disconnect it right here as well. You press the notch and pull it out. Now we're gonna take these two screws out, Torx 20 as well. And unmount them. Now we'll bring the elevator slowly up. With a 7mm socket, we'll be removing the two nuts that hold the bracket for the cable. Before we do so, we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the cable from the bottom, the molus connector. Alright, leave it hanging freely. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove these two Alright, now we just pull on the bracket, on the cable, and it should come out. Notice to feed this over the motor.